Let's learn how to create VIBER dating account. First, let's open VIBER app on your device and make sure you are connected with correct phone number. After that, click on little three dots in bottom right corner of the screen. That will bring you to another menu where you can see VIBER dating field and click on it. On this page, VIBER introducing VIBER dating feature. And what can you expect? Next, click on pink join button in bottom of the screen. Now click on pink button where is written Create Profile. After that, you need to confirm again you want to create profile by clicking on pink arrow button in bottom right corner of the screen. First, VIBER asks of you to enter your name. Enter your real name because you want to find real people, not fake accounts. And if you enter wrong name, that is breaking the rules. When you do that, click on pink arrow button in bottom right corner of the screen for next step. On this page, you need to enter when is your birthday, but keep in mind that you need to be over 18. And when you done, click on pink arrow button in bottom right corner of the screen for next step. On this menu, enter what is your gender, and when you enter, click on arrow in bottom right corner of the screen. Then you need to enter for who are you interested in. You can also set that you're interested for everyone, and when you enter, go on next step. Next on this page, you need to set what type of relationship are you looking for. You can set as many options as you like, and when you do that, go on next step. Now this page you must to set minimum 2 pictures of yourself. Also, when you set maximum picture, you can get 30% more matches. So click on little plus to go on your gallery and select a photos you want to have on your profile. And when you finish, go on next step. On this page, you need to add more about you. This will be your biography. So because of that, add your hobbies, what you like to do, you job, what you are interested and more. And when you done, go on next step. Now this is importantly step to enable you location because you want to find people who are as close to you as possible. And when you do, that go on another step. On this page is written community guidelines. So go to read these guidelines. Because of that, you would not have problems after. And click last time on pink arrow in bottom right corner of the page. Now you need to wait a little to VIBER create your VIBER dating account, and you can find the love of your life. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.